here, Kate. You're so high.
Oh, so relaxed, Elle. So show me the secret way to get up and up there.
Oh. Look at those clouds drifting by so fast.
So, this way.
Over the mountain.
Oh yeah, that's totally easy, huh?
Yeah. But we can't go through that way, or we would get poked by a cat.
There are
That's
pokes
true.
around. Whoa, look at all those flowers starting to grow. See all those little things on the top? Those are their flowers. Do you think they're going to be red?
Ooh, Aaron, a little treat
The
for you
one
coming
back
up.
there was purple. I don't know. Oh yeah, purple probably, huh? They're all different colors.
Jay, hold up, buddy. Look at me.
You don't, but that looks hard.
What you doing, Kate?
I was standing on the top.
This is the fun part, huh? Is that water cold? Water coming down. How pretty.
Not really not.
There was gushing on there. That would look awesome.
Is it cold?
No.
Is it warm?
No, it's like just
Hey, Aaron, Katie's trying to touch it.
we need water. Look at it. Oh, it's going over my hand.
We'll let you just bathe in here. But
Might want to go up high. Why would I want to go up
Contaminate it.
high?
Alright, I think we can keep
I
going.
wish I could go there. Can I?
No. You gotta stay on the path.
How's any supposed to avoid that little bump?
So cold. This is my favorite shot. The family from the backside.
Hey. This is pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
A lot of steps. Do you think someone made all these steps? Or are these just rocks and they naturally formed steps?
I'm having allergies.
Oh yeah?
Whoa, there's a little tunnel that people can go through.
Like I googled all over, I couldn't find
Mommy, look at it.
like it doesn't on the.
Tunnel?
Yeah, there's a little way that you can come out that way. Me too.
You gonna go that way?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll meet you down there. When you
Hey,
when you get
listen.
to the bottom, stop,
There's
okay?
people below you, so make sure you don't knock rocks down.
What do you think, Kate?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Why are we going downhill?
This is the way to the pools, the emerald pools.
How was it, guys?
Good.
Yeah?
Slow but good. And easy.
This is busy, huh?
So this is the middle one.
How do you get to the upper that way?
I'm not sure. Let's go check it out. I think let's go to the right. Let me help you. You want to go across? Remember not to get your shoes wet, guys, otherwise that's going to be uncomfortable hiking. Okay? Take your shoes.
Okay. Oh, wait.
You found him, but don't walk on that one to see how slippery it is. Oh, your dad found the sand pile of the century. Good. Want to get down there with the kids? All right, how did we do that?
Here, I'll show you. Birds keep flying through the waterfall too long. Yeah. Mommy, I want to see. Can I get out of the picture?
Turn your face a little bit back.
You look pretty awesome though.
Want to come up here?
Kind of. It looks like a pretty good seat. You ready to come be our leader again?
What?
You ready to come be our leader again?
Yeah.
I think you're
All right, come on.
too much interest in there.
Sorry, Ellie. What's this thing? Flower emerald pool.
You look bored, Lo. Are you bored?
No.
Jackie, go sit by your sisters. Well, wait a minute, Kate. Wait. Can you see Jakey getting there?
I can see. Hey, can you see me? No.
Lola, come back. Come back, Lola. Yep, we can see you. No, listen. Lola, stop. Come back, baby, come back. Hang on to her and I'll go get her. Lola, come
Pardon me.
back, hon. That's not the trail, that's up to nothing. Can you come back?
I want to go to that pool.
No, I think that the whole...
No. Good for rock climbing. Wait.
That's all the further you need to go because if you go anymore, you'll get stuck and I can't get you out.
Hi guys, is anybody in there?
Nope.
Way around the tree this way. Don't let them whack your head in that tree now. Make them neck room. Steer way over here. There you go. Steer way over this way.
don't like
let
that.
them take too short on you. There you go, folks. Steer way over this way. Don't let them cut too short on you now. Just right. Hey, how are you? Doing fabulous. Go ahead, folks. I'll let you go before me.
Sand in your socks?
Look
Oh, sandy toes. Brush them off, baby.
Look at this side.
Okay. Oh man, you're right. Brush it off. Maybe just let it dry off because it's a little bit sticky right now, right? Because your foot's all sweaty. So let it dry off in the cool breeze. Look at this giant tree. This thing is amazing. It's so big. Pretty cool spot.
When are we gonna go to St. George?
Probably now.
But we
You looking
can't.
forward to St. George? What are you looking forward to the most?
The swimming pool.
The swimming pool, does that sound like fun? We should definitely go do that right now. Well, it's nice and hot outside.
I used to change Katie's diapers all the time.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I used to change Katie's
Are you
diapers.
gonna change the new baby's diapers?
Mhm.
Yeah. Where are you going?
I don't know.
You gonna do some jumping jacks or maybe some cartwheels? Oh, nice. Here I am. You guys look tired after a long day.
Canyon Junction is where.
When they're in a dive, like a stick to get something to eat, that's when they go the fastest. That's when they're
Very
supposed to go
nice.
And you were going to
Very nice.
that
How old are you? 7, okay.
Nice job, you little rangers.
All right. Step good hard.
Look, you got a badge just like hers almost.
Show me, Kate.
This is my third.
Where are your other two from?
Kate, can I see it?
I got one for Archie's.
Nice.
Arches? Price?